Hi, this is Allan Xu from Majeure and Associates. I'm in charge of the business advisory service team in East China. Recently, we received some questions from our clients about the commercial contracts during the Shanghai Lockdown. We're happy to share some comments with you. Force majeure is unforeseeable, unavoidable, and insurmountable objective events. Epidemic situation and epidemic prevention and control measures can be deemed as force majeure if it's impossible to achieve the purpose of the contract due to the epidemic situation or epidemic prevention and control measures. Either party can request to terminate the contract. While either party is unable to perform the contract due to the epidemic situation or epidemic prevention and control measures, it should be partially or wholly exempted from liability based on the impact of the force majeure, except otherwise stipulated by law. However, if force majeure occurs after the delay of performance by one party, the breaching party's liability should not be exempted. If the basic conditions of the contract have undergone a significant change, which is unforeseeable by parties when the contract was concluded and which does not belong to the commercial risks, and obviously it's unfair for one party concerned to continue to perform the contract, the party may renegotiate with the other party. If negotiation fails within a reasonable period, either party may request court or arbitration committee to modify or terminate the contract. In case of delay in performance amid the epidemic outbreak, when claiming exemption from liability for force majeure, the party concerned should distinguish the specific circumstance, consider the specific impact of the epidemic situation or epidemic prevention and control measures on the performance of obligation, and make a different treatment. The party claiming exemption based on force majeure should bear the corresponding burden of proof. For the performance of non-monetary debts, such as the seller of sales contract who is unable to perform the delivery obligation due to lockdown, quarantine measures, government expropriation, the seller can generate claim for exemption or partial exemption of liability on the grounds of force majeure. Normally, the liability cannot be mitigated or exempted due to force majeure if the party needs to perform the monetary debts. However, if you are unable to perform the monetary debts as you don't have the U-key to settle the payment, or you cannot wire the money to the other party due to the transfer limit of your online banking, or affected by the COVID-19, you still can claim for the exemption of legal liability. If the office space is leased for business operation, tenant is short of cash flow, or the revenue decreased significantly amid the epidemic outbreak, which makes him delayed in paying the rent. The landlord is unable to terminate the lease agreement and request the tenant to bear the legal liability under the circumstance.